The significance of toothpaste in upholding oral hygiene is paramount. It's the trusty sidekick to our toothbrush. But have you ever thought about creating your toothpaste? A custom-made homemade toothpaste gives you control over the ingredients that best cater to your oral health requirements and personal tastes. It provides a safeguard against potentially harmful elements found in store-bought toothpastes. A standout benefit of homemade toothpaste is the opportunity to exclude harmful ingredients such as sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. In addition to that, it presents a myriad of other advantages for your everyday oral care. Let's delve into how you can ensure your toothbrush always has a dependable companion with homemade toothpaste. Here are 3 simple ingredients we'll need to create this toothpaste: baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and peppermint oil. Baking soda, which is responsible for scrubbing action, hydrogen peroxide for our disinfectant, and peppermint oil that leaves a refreshing aftertaste. With just these 3 components on hand, we're all set to make our very own toothpaste. Start by scooping out 2 tablespoons of baking soda and placing into a bowl. The baking soda here serves as our natural cleansing agent. Moving on, pour a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide into the bowl, joining the baking soda. This basic compound, hydrogen peroxide, is what's going to give our toothpaste its natural whitening properties. Now, using a spoon, combine these components together until they bind and start to resemble a paste. This is your toothpaste base. Make sure it's well mixed, devoid of any lumps. The consistency should be creamy and smooth. To make the experience more enjoyable, add 2 or more drops of peppermint oil for a refreshing taste. What we have now is a minty homemade toothpaste, completely free of sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, which is typically found in store-bought toothpaste. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully concocted your very own SLS-free toothpaste. Now that you've crafted your own toothpaste, let's delve into why it's worth your time and effort. It's incredibly cost-effective, utilizing items that are readily available in your household. This alone could save you a significant amount in the long run. Not just this, you're aware of every single ingredient that goes into it, evading the risk of potentially harmful chemicals prevalent in commercial toothpaste. This brings us to the health benefits. With homemade toothpaste, you're avoiding unknown ingredients and keeping your oral health in check. Moving on to customization, you wield the power to modify the flavor and texture you desire. To sum it up, concocting your own toothpaste not only allows you to look after your teeth and wallet, but also promotes a healthier lifestyle. This, indeed, is something worth grinning about. Like, share and subscribe to Remedy Seeker, and see you in the next video.